morning students. Today we are going to start with this practice set 17 and the first question is find the supplements of the given angle. So the given angle is 15 degree and you need to find what will be the other angle so that these two angles will be supplementary. Okay, so now this angle is 15 degree and you need to find the another angle. So we are going to write down let the supplementary angle measures P degree. Okay, it measures P degree, so that P degree plus 15 degree will be equal to 180 degree, because the sum of the measures of two angles should be equal to 180 degree. So therefore this P degree will be equal to 180. Now this is 15 plus 15, this will go to that side and it will become minus 15 degree. So do this, 180 minus 15, you will get 165 degree. Okay, so what is the answer? 165 degree is the supplement of the given angle. Okay, I want you to pause the video and write down all this. You will also write there that the measure of the, therefore the measure of the supplement of given angle is 165 degree. Okay, write like this and then we'll move towards the second question. Second is 85 degree. So again you have to write let the supplement, we don't know what it would be. Okay, supplement measure the P degree. Okay, so P degree plus 85 degree should be equal to 180 because they are supplementary. Okay, so P degree, this plus 85 will go to that side and it will become minus 85 degree. So this will be equal to 95 degree. So what you will write here, that the measure of supplement of given angle is 95 degree. Okay, again pause the video, write down all this and we'll move towards this third question. Third is 120 degree. So you have to again write let this supplementary measure, supplementary angle measure P degree. So P degree plus 120 degree should be equal to 180 degree because they are supplementary. So this P degree will be equal to 180 degree. This plus 20 will go to that side, become minus 120 and answer will be 60 degree. So you have to write the measure of supplement of given angle is 60 degree. Pause the video, write down and then we'll move further. So the fourth one is 37 degree. So do it the same way. Let the supplementary angle B, P degree. Okay. So P degree plus 37 degree should be equal to 180 degree. So P degree will be equal to 180 degree minus 37. So this will be equal to what? (143 degree). So therefore, the measure of supplement of this given angle, what is the given angle? It is 37 degree, is 143 degree. In the same way, you have to calculate the remaining angles. Okay. So these three is your homework. You have to solve these three questions and show it to me on WhatsApp. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Google Meet right now. Otherwise, that's okay. Write down in your notebook. I'll see that again. Thank you.